guys, I'm Chef Emily.
And I'm Chef Ivan, and today we're going to be making this something for her.
Brownie.
This special.
You may sell Brownie's. Yes, you may sell Brownie's Adventures, and yeah, we're cats too. So she really wants us to make something, right, Browns? I'll take that as a yes. So let's go ahead and start. But Chef Brownie, you probably have to move. She doesn't want to move. You're gonna have to. Okay. Put her ear.
Operate your body. Operate on me.
Okay, let's go ahead and start. So the tin. Oh no! Cat Brownie's attacking. Oh no. Okay, so we need more counter space.
It's over my head.
I know she's really.
Well, I'm
Okay.
just going to get my.
Hold up. We don't even know what we're making yet.
We're making treats.
Well, hold up. Let's see what's in the mice. What's this? What's this?
What the heck? A mouse?
And a mouse. Okay, how are we supposed to do this? Because we have no ingredients.
I don't know. You just warm up the Haitian treats.
That's good. Now she's out of the way.
Days.
Now let's do this. Okay, so what are we making here? What are we gonna make, Chef Ivan?
Oh, I don't know. Probably treats.
We have treat. Let's just make
Wait.
make some
Brownie's leaving.
No, you don't need Brownie here. That doesn't help.
Yes. She needed to wait out here. Wait out here for 10 minutes. Then your food will be ready in 5 to 10 minutes.
Yes, please wait out. Or stand there and watch us. Okay, good thing. The camera's in the way, so that's good. Okay, now, so let's go ahead and I'm going to go get a tray. From here. Okay, I got this pink tray.
Now we're going to fill out
I'm
some food in her.
Okay. And
Wait! We need her to say. Wait right over here. That's a good kitty.
Okay. Okay, now let's open these trees. No. Okay. Now we're gonna put these in the oven so she doesn't get no. She can't have any. Yeah, we're making it. Oh no. You're trying to cook her. Okay. We should probably go now. That's the whole thing. Can you please stay out of the camper? Yeah. Stay out of the camper. Yeah. I said stay out of the camper.
No, just leave her be. She wants to say.
Can you please get out? Yeah, that's right. You ate all the treats. I know they're.
Wait, maybe we should get her some treats.
I better put this in
Wait,
the
but
sink
there's a
and
leftover
wash it.
treat over here.
This sink doesn't work. I'm about to go put it in the.
Be right back.
Here, I'll give you some treats. Me, Danny, the dinosaur, will give you some treats. I'll give you some treats. Yeah.
Go ahead and make something.
No,
Go
I'm washing the dish.
Wash your dish, wash your dish. Sophie's Cubsy, wash your dish. Don't wanna pass yours to your dishes.
It's really wet now, but it will dry. Okay, let's put that in the sink.
Wait, look. Brownie!
Okay, well, use the stretcher while I'll make something. Okay.
Okay.
Okay, put this on the tray.
Don't worry,
Mix
Brownie.
it. I need to cheese. Now, wait, don't let
I don't know how to do it.
Now, feed her some more treats, okay?
Okay,
this
here's
goes
some
on the
more
side,
treats. Don't
and
worry, I'm
now
getting you.
we're going to put it in the oven.
Saying she'll just go straight for the treats. That's the case. Oh no, I think he's done.
Okay.
She's done already. Oh no, shoot. Oh, here she comes. And it's nice.
It's okay, come on.
Stay
Come
here,
over here,
Browns.
Chef Ivan.
Well, we need her to stay here.
So I cooked her a meal. I have treats. Well, no, a mouse with treats on the side.
Ah, nice.
I know, right? No. Phew. No, Chef Brownie. Yeah.
Yeah, just leave her there.
Beep, beep, beep. Okay, let's just open the oven.
She just got up.
It's okay, I have it. Okay. Oh no, she's just oh my gosh, she's eating the mouse and the treats.
Oh my word, she's going crazy.
She ate all the mouse, but I don't know about the treats.
Yeah, she's eating the treats too. She's still eating. Now she's eating the bowl.
Go, Rinsat. Go, Rinsat. Hey, I'm not a treat.
Don't you think she has gone cuckoo for Cuckoo Puffs? Here, wait, let me just go ahead and watch this stuff.
We'll hear this. Okay. Yep, he just turned on the water. Okay. Okay, bring it back in here and let it dry in the sink. She really does love treats. I'm talking to you. Ow. Come on.
There you go.
So, she really made this kind of a disaster. No! Okay.
Don't worry.
Please like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye. Oh no!